is Miss Malini, and I'm here with the gorgeous Ki and Ka, of course, the Kareena and
Never been
Arjun.
called gorgeous before, that's a good start.
So excited to be here with you guys, and we're doing our first live broadcast with you.
The first?
This as in with you guys.
Oh, okay.
with
I thought
not
हमारे साथ.
Okay, so a couple of questions that have come in from all of your fans across Twitter, Instagram, and everywhere. So I'm going to ask a bunch of them. Okay, tell us about your sizzling chemistry. Did you expect it?
Actually, not. I don't think anyone, kind of expected it. Everybody was like, "Oh my God, it's quite weird," and Arjun and Kareena together. But now tables have turned, and suddenly it's like, "Oh my God, we can't get enough of them."
Your thoughts?
I agree with Ki.
I agree. Okay. Okay, what's the best advice that you have gotten from Arjun?
The best advice?
If any.
No, I don't take advice from anyone. I just follow my heart.
I love this.
I'm the last person who should advise anybody for anything.
You have your Kareena fan club, and actually, here's a question from both of you saying that if you could take one trait of Kabir and give it to Saif, what would it be? And if you could give one trait of Kareena's to your future special lady, what would it be?
We just want to know who the special lady is.
Yeah, also.
No comments.
No comments.
Otherwise, there'll be another blind article on Miss Malini tomorrow. People are going to go blind reading these articles.
Okay, one trait.
I think the fact that, they've shown that Kabir cooks really well and Saif in his head cooks really well. So we'd like him to actually cook in the kitchen.
And one trait?
Of Kareena's, the fact that she laughs at all my nonsensical jokes. That's very important. Whoever my partner is going to be should also laugh the same.
My mom is here, and she was saying she loves all your jokes on Khatro Ke Khiladi.
अच्छा आप देखते हैं खतरों के खिलाड़ी? Thank you.
Arre. Shivani wants to know, can you both make round chapatis?
Me? No.
I learned for 2 days and I managed to make a few, but it's not easy. I can't remember now how to do it.
Okay, what was the longest work day for Ki and Ka, and what did you guys do to survive it?
I had a 24-hour workday without her. I shot the whole that Most Wanted Munda song. When you see all the cutting, chopping, making food, the whole kitchen portion. They had to dismantle the set. So we shot non-stop from 7 in the morning till 7 in the morning the next day to do all the kitchen portion. So that was my most exhausting. And I only missed Kareena because I had nobody to trouble on set.
And your long work day?
I can't work more than 8 to 10 hours.
That's the right way. Otherwise, you won't look the part, right? Okay, Kitty wants to know, please ask Arjun, would he mind if his wife was more successful than him?
No, not at all. Yeah. That's not something that ever...
Depends on who the wife is.
Yeah. Very good. One more blind item.
Yes. Reputation तो है नहीं पर बर्बाद जरूर होगी.
Okay, and they really want you, obviously they really want you to sing one line or two of a song from Ki and Ka. Please, will you guys do it?
From Yo-Yo Honey Singh's rap, okay? पहली बात तो ये जो तू टिकटॉक चलती है माना ये सारी तेरी हाई हील्स की गलती है रुक तो जा तू हैंग ऑन ये तो बता तू है कौन कहाँ से आई है कहाँ को जाएगी पागल लड़की मुझे मरवाएगी.
Ooh, love that. All right, thank you so much, guys, for this. It was so much fun hanging out. And in case you missed, don't worry because it's going to be live on Facebook, so you can already watch it.
I want to be appreciated for my improving fashion sense on your.
Already, we did so many.
I want even more blogs.
Even more.
I feel very.
Tell us about your hair.
I
You're
want to be a fashionista.
You are a fashionista.
I want to be.
Fashionista now.
Yeah.
You have become.
I've
Sonam
become.
and you are fashionista.
Sonam का भाई हो कुछ तो होना चाहिए ना ऐसा. Tell me about my hair.
Ranbir said once he's the male Sonam. Are you the male Sonam?
No, not at all. There is only one Sonam.
But tell me this hair. You've done something new. It's like
I've grown it out for half girlfriend. Yeah, so it's growing even more. It'll be a little longer.
But who is your girlfriend?
girlfriend. Bata do.
That's why I'm doing half girlfriend. Everything's half.
Thank you guys so much. It was so fun hanging out. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.